Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing new methods and advancements in wood construction. My topic is what new wood preservation and treatment techniques have emerged over the last 2 decades and how have these impacted the longevity and maintenance of wood structures. My name is John Arvin T. Corpus. Introduction. Over the past 20 years, wood preservation has undergone a quiet revolution driven by environmental concerns, technological innovation, and the demand for longer-lasting, lower-maintenance structures. Here's a breakdown of the most impactful developments. Emerging wood preservation and treatment techniques. Number one is thermal modification. The process of thermal modification is heating wood to 160 to 260 degrees Celsius in lower oxygen environments. The benefits of thermal modification increases dimensional stability, reduces moisture absorption, and enhances resistance to decay and insects. The impact of thermal modification extends service life without the use of chemical, ideal for decking, cladding, and outdoor furnitures. Number 2. Chemical-free treatments. Example is acetylation. How does this work? Alters wood's cell structure to reduce water uptake and improve durability. The impact of chemical-free treatments offers high-performance non-toxic alternatives to traditional preservative with lifespan of 50 years in some cases. Number 3. Nanotechnology-based preservatives. The innovation use of nano-sized particles to deliver biocides or hydrophobic agents deep into the wood, and the advantage of nanotechnology-based preservatives enhances protection while minimizing environmental impacts. Number 4. Self-emulsifying delivery systems or SEDDS. Functions is improves dispersion of preservatives in wood fibers. The impact is increases treatment uniformity and effectiveness, especially in dense hardwoods. Number 5. Eco-friendly preservatives. This shifts away from heavy metals like arsenic toward copper-based, borate, and organic compounds. The impact of eco-friendly preservatives is for safer for human ecosystems while still offering strong protection against fungi and insects. These are chemicals used in modern wood pressure treatment: copper-based preservatives, borate treatments, chromated copper arsenate, synthetic pyrethroids, alkaline copper quaternary, micronized copper azole, creosote, pentachlorophenol. To wrap things up, conclusion is today, wood pressure treatment involves advanced technology and techniques that ensure optimal penetration of preservatives into the wood. This process helps enhance the structural integrity of wood products, making them more resilient and durable in various applications. These are my references. Links are here and you can click these links. You can read more about new methods and advancements in wood construction. Thank you.